What's up guys, it's the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a video that has been long awaited. Some might even thought it would be impossible to do, but I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your LEGO Clone Trooper Heavies Part 2. I've been doing some thinking about this video because I don't want to redo my last video Legion wise, so I came up with two different Legions that I will be showing you how to upgrade. A Shock Trooper, how to make a heavy Coruscant Guard Trooper, Shock Trooper. These are thicky bricky decals, and I decaled just a body and a helmet. I have a decal tutorial that if you want to know how to decal, then just go to my channel and you should see it. And we're also upgrading this Phase 1 Trooper, but he won't be a Phase 1 by the end of this. So we will start with the Shock Trooper, and let's get started. So these are the pieces you're going to need for this figure. So what you are going to want to do is take the helmet off and take the legs apart. Just like this. Get this Jonak Toys black waist cape with a red trim. Add that onto the legs. Just like this. Jonak Toys Bark Speeder strap, like a Bark Trooper, with red. It's not super difficult to put on, but get this in the hole here. Should push down. Just like that. Then push down. It's not pushing down all the way. Add a white Clone Army Customs backpack on there like that. And then add the helmet. And then a black Clone Army Customs visor. And there you go. Then we have a minigun here, so if you've seen my videos before, you will know how to make this. Get a stud shooter, a black stud, a little black handle piece, another little handle piece, and then a Lego Technic piece, and add it on like that. And there's the minigun for your heavy shock trooper. So let's get started with the next figure. So here are the pieces you're gonna need for the last figure. All you're going to want to do is take off the helmet and the head and take off the arms. Replace the arms with gray arms. And then take this off. Add a black waist cape. I don't know, just like that. And add a Jonak Toys heavy strap. Have this in almost all of my videos. Just like that. This is a Jonak Toys decaled Wolfpack helmet. You could get a Clone Army Customs helmet if you want, but this is what I have on me. Add that, and then add a gray visor. And there's the last figure finished. Kind of a Wolfpack heavy trooper. So yeah, those are the two figures finished, and let's go to the outro. So here are the two figures finished. Came out pretty good. The Wolfpack is definitely lacking in some features. I just don't have some pieces for it. But if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. By the time of recording this, we are super close to 750 subscribers. So if you could subscribe, that would really help me out. Comment down below any suggestions on what I should upgrade / make next. And yep, that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.